Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform your photo or a picture to become this. This is a statue that it is still being constructed in the middle of the city. How to do that? So it is very easy and still goes viral on the Instagram. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can access the Nano Banana and you can choose which platform that you can access this Nano Banana, and this time I prefer to open it or access it via Google AI Studio, and don't forget to the login first. And after that, don't forget also to prepare your picture that you would like to transform into this giant statue, guys. And after that, you can click this Nano Banana and you can prepare the prompt. And for example, I will start to select a picture first. And after that, I will choose this, for example, this photo of baby, the cute baby. And after that, I will put my prompt into this section. So you can simply copy it. Don't worry, because I will show you the prompt into the description box. Well, basically, you can ask for or give the prompt like this, the detail like the ultra realistic giant statue based on the uploaded photo, and also keeping the face exactly the same without the changes. And after that, you can also put the next detail like the where is the statue will be placed, like in the middle of city, and what the specific city you can choose, for example the New York, or in the, for example, in London or Nebraska or Jakarta or in Beijing or in New Orleans, etc. And you can also put the very specific place like the in the Times Square or in the Big Ben like in London, or if you would like to place this statue, for example, in Palm Jumeirah in Abu Dhabi or in Dubai. And after that, you can also put the more detail like the under construction with scaffolding, and the worker is in yellow helmets and orange vest. And you can also put the atmosphere that you would like to present in the picture, like the surrounding capture, like crowded, and there are a lot of vehicles, and the time when you capture the picture like in the middle of the day, and also the camera style. And after that, you can continue to run this prompt and kindly wait for the result, guys. And after waiting for a while, maybe 15 until 30 minutes, so the picture is finally ready. Let's click it. And as you can see that this picture is really detailed, and as you can see the statue is still under construction, and there are a lot of worker in here, and also the crowded, and the location is in the Times Square in New York. So don't forget to try this prompt into your Nano Banana or your favorite AI photo editing or photo generator. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.